continue about the compass bearing, you will have the new definition I want to tell you. I want to tell you about the name of each direction in this video. Something like you have the original direction is north direction. Another direction you got here is east direction. This one is south direction. And this one you got the west direction. You already know about this one, but in this video I want to tell you about more direction. This side or this direction we call is NE. It means northeast. About this direction you got south east. About this direction you got southwest. And then you got this direction you will have north west. Okay, so the blue side here will tell you about the direction between north and east. This one will tell you about the direction between south and east. For this one, you have the direction between south and west. And for this one, you got the direction between west and north. So you got here. So what does this mean of the middle direction? This one we call here is bisector angle. What does it mean bisector angle? Bisector angle will divide that angle become to two equivalent parts. You will have this angle and this angle will be equal together. The total of these two angles will be equal to 90 degrees and this one equal to this one. That's why you got here is 45 degrees and this one also be the 45 degrees. And the other example about the bisector angle, you got it south. You got it here and you got south here. And the direction between south and west, we call it is SE. And this one is bisector angle. Bisector angle of this diagram of this 90 degree angle will be equal to 45 degree and this one also be 45 degree. Yeah, in the same thing for this one, you will got this angle is 45 degree. This one is 45. This is 45 degree. This one also is 45. Here is 45, 45 degree, 45 degree, and the last one is also be 45 degree. Yeah, that is also be 45 degree. And now you will have the new bearing angle for blue direction in this one. Okay, example. You got the south of north and east. So what is the bearing angle of northeast direction? The bearing angle will start with the original direction is north. So I will make the turn around become to the northeast direction. And then I want to calculate this angle. For this angle you got here is 45 degree. Yes. How about east angle? The east angle you have the direction of north and then you got east here and you will turn north direction become to the new one for new side here in the clockwise direction and then you got the angle for this case is 90 degree and here is 45 degree. And the next one you got SE. It means south east. You will have here is north, here is east, and this one is south. And the direction of south east is mean this one. Here is south east. And the angle you have to calculate, is this one. You can see this angle include two angles. The first one is 90 degree here. And the second one is 145 degree for this case. So that's why the bearing angle of southeast direction will be equal to 90 degree plus 45 degree. This one is 90 degree and this one is 45 degree. You add all of them together and then you got 135. Got 135. Okay, so how about southwest? About southwest, I will calculate from the original and then I got south and then I got south here and then I got west in this case. For west in this case, you have this angle is southwest, and the angle you have to calculate for southwest direction is this one. This one will be divided by two parts. The first part is the straight line here, 180 degree, and the second one you got this part is 45 degree. Yeah, this one is 45. So the bearing angle of southwest will become to 180 and 45 degree, 225 degree. Continue for the last one. You will have north-west. About north and west, you will got north in here, and you got west in this one. And the bisector angle will be here. You got now north-west direction. And the angle you will make for this one is here, very big, right? Right. And the first part of this angle, you will got this part, 270 degree. And the second one, you got 45 degree. So northwest is mean the bearing angle will be 270 plus 45 degree. You got 350 degree, like this. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.